for us a bad result. We knew it would be a hard game, the game we expected of them. And if you take a goal like that, you know it will be difficult against a team that know how to defend and with a lot of aggressivity and playing well. And we had hard to find occasions, and we couldn't find a gap, and then they won deserved, I think.
Gareth Bale had one chance.
Yeah, I think it was bad luck from Raja to head the ball back just where Gareth was, and he finished it well. You know, he's a player with top quality. And after we tried to go back and find an equalizer, but we couldn't.
How do you feel about the group now?
No, it's the same. I think we and them are maybe the strongest teams in the group, together with Bosnia. They won as well today, so the next two games for us are really important. We play at home against Bosnia and we go to Cyprus, and those two teams are behind us, so it will be two very important games.
Thibaut, we know you want Belgium to qualify, but do you think Wales will qualify now?
Yeah, I think it's no doubt about that. The team who won today put a big step ahead of being qualified. I think if they don't qualify, it would be a shame for them, because I think they already 5 points ahead of the third. So I guess they are a strong team and they will not let it go.
Thank you very much.